how to delete your business profile from Google Maps, including how to delist it from Google Maps as well. So first you want to open up your browser, and then you want to head to Google, or you can search for your business name directly. So for example, like this, and you can see your business appear first if you search the name exactly. Now, if you can't find your business by Google search, you'll simply need to go to Google, or you can search here for Google Business and click on the first link, and then make sure to sign in with your account. Now, once you sign in, that should take you to your business profile page on Google, which is this one, for example, right here. Now you will need to click on Edit Profile and scroll all the way down till you see Business Location. Click on the pen to edit this, and then uncheck Show Business Address to Customers. Uncheck it like this and click on Save. Now usually it won't let you do this unless you specify a phone number or a website where customers can contact you. So you can specify a phone number and a website, and then come back and uncheck Show Business Address to Customers and click on Save again. Now that should hide the business address. Now to permanently delete this, what you can do is click on the three vertical dots on the top right here, and then click on Business Profile Settings, and then click on Remove Business Profile, and then click on Remove Profile Content and Managers. Now scroll down and click on Continue right here, and then click on Remove. And that should permanently remove your business profile and content and managers. And now you can close this. Now there is another option which will require you to basically search for the business. If you don't want to do this, you can search for the business and then click on Suggest and Edit. So for example, like this right here, click on the three vertical dots next to the business name, and then click Suggest and Edit. And from here, you want to click on Place is closed or not here, and choose one of these operating status. So for example, permanently closed, and submit a report to Google. And once enough people submit reports, Google will update and delist or remove this business from Google completely. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.